Up on the back window.
Did you get the fish on the sticks?
Yep. Well, Mom, we did it.
You did what? Did what?
Boat rain.
You mean you got it finished? Is it finished? Oh, he is going to be so hot. He's going to be so hot in that.
I'm a scuba now.
That does look good.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, we might need duct tape.
Eats, come on under here. We might have to test you out. Come here.
Hold on. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
How is he going
Lay
to?
down.
How's he going to be up high
Lay
enough?
down.
So here's the
Swim,
palm tree.
swim.
You'd hang it from here.
Swim. Swim.
Am I okay to take pictures with this now? Wait a minute, Evan. I gotta get a picture from this way. Without the sun.
Here's a whistle. He does have a whistle.
Woohoo! Veteran Express. Oh my, Cowboys are great.
Look, look.
We already did that last year. We did that last year.
He's gonna hold them up.
And then there's a guide boat in the back. He just finished building it.
What's this first one?
Remember when we went to the ocean fishing?
No, I remember.
No, Corky.
What an outfit. That's a good one.
Oh, the first one? That's the ugly duckling.
My little man, he's swimming.
That must be Tom!
How are they?
We're trying to keep up, Mom.
Trying to
Oh, they have a gun.
Get him to come back. The aquarium was picked as #1. The railroad was best in show. And the guide boat wins other, and the jet ski is under 14-foot motorized.